Alright, welcome back to the channel. We will keep this short and sweet. It's another autocross. If you're new here or you are enjoying this kind of content, consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. If you want to see more autocross videos, I have a playlist of all the ones that we've done so far this year. If you want to see more about the car, I got a playlist about all the things that have been done to the car also. So something new that I'm doing on this video is doing chapters. That way you can skip to or even rewatch portions of the video quick and easy. So go in the description to see the chapters. Not sure how it shows up on different devices. And with that, let's get to the racing. Alright, real quick before we get into the autocross videos, I had some issues with some of the GoPros, mainly the one that's on the driver's side, which I use as the main video normally. That one got switched to camera mode, so it didn't record any video at all. Luckily, I had the one on the passenger side, which actually turned out to be a much better view for this course, getting close to the cones on the passenger side and then also hitting a lot of those cones on that side. I also have the camera inside the car, which I'll use as the picture-in-picture. So you'll actually get to see us driving the car, which is a view that I have not shown previously. So without further ado, let's get into the actual autocross videos now.
Starting run number one other car in my class. He ran a 36.4, which is really fast, but we'll see what I can do on my runs here. Cold tires, lots of cones.
Got a whole bunch of cones.
Yeah, thanks. Let's do less cones this time.
cleaner. I do feel good. I don't know. Just gonna have to drive it.
Last one. I'm gonna make it a nice clean. Nice clean fast run.
So Chris can do the 43.
Got through the course. I don't know if it was fast. Not as fast. So I dropped some time. I just cannot get that left-hander down. As soon as I go into it, the car is just coming loose before I'm even getting on the power. So I don't know if I'm coming into it too hot. Maybe. I mean, I think I'm braking a little bit right before it.
Having fun?
Yes, but I need to go faster.
Do this part right here when you're leaving the line.
Uh-huh.
Go harder all the way down to that cone, that bright yellow cone. Go hard all the way.
Okay.
You gotta be kind of ginger right through here. Just go for it. If you hit a cone, so what? Go for it.
Yeah. Again, we'll see. Yay!
38911.
Yay! Alright, so I got a 38.9 clean, which is important. So excited.
Alright, done with another autocross. This one was still a lot of fun. We had a good time. The car did great. Our driving, maybe not so much. Still felt like we did pretty good, but we both came in last in our class, which out of two people means that we were second.
Hi, I like saying it like that.
So for me, I never got close to get into first place, unfortunately. The other car ran a really good first heat, and I just couldn't catch him when I was running in second or third heat, whatever it was.
Overall, it was a good day. I felt really good on course. Like, I felt strong, and like I was actually racing harder than I usually do. Like, I wasn't driving the course, I was really racing the course. And I think that was when I was working on my launches.
Yeah.
So I thought they were better.
So overall, it helped build confidence in the car for both of us again. So we'll carry that momentum going into the next autocross. So we will see you guys then.